How to enable the pop-up on key press for your Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard. So every time you're typing and you press down on a key, you'll see that the keys will pop up and show. So if you're looking to turn this on or turn it off, here's where you can go to do it. So let's say you're about to start typing and your Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard pops up like this here. Now, once you have your keyboard popped up like this, you'll see the three dots at the far right. Go ahead and tap on it one time. Then you will look for the settings icon right there. So tap on that once. And once you're in this section here, you'll go to where it says layout and keys. And as you enter here, you'll see the different layout and keys options. So go down until you see key pops up. Once this is turned on and your keyboard is enabled, you can now press on the key and see what letters you are typing as you're pressing them. And of course, if you don't like it, you could just turn that off. So like and sub. Thanks for watching. Check out my other guides and see you around.